Hello students, I'm Zahra Fatima. Welcome back to our channel. Students, this video is for Usmania University BBA Semester 2 students, and in this video I'm sharing with you the subject organizational behavior, that is OB, 100% pass important questions for the upcoming examination June 2025. So students, watch the video with full concentration because I'm going to discuss with you the 100% pass important questions for the upcoming examination. Now first, syllabus. Syllabus consists of 5 units. Unit 1 is organizational behavior. Unit 2 is motivation. Unit 3 is group dynamics. Unit 4 is management of change. Unit 5 is organizational culture, organizational conflict, and organizational effectiveness. So, total 5 units you are having in the syllabus. Now, I'm going to discuss with you the most important or 100% important questions for the upcoming examination June 2025. Now, first, Unit 1 is organizational behavior. Short questions. Under that, first is concept of OB, organizational behavior, OB. Very important, 100% important. Explain the importance of OB, organizational behavior. This question is also 100% important. Perception and attribution. Concept of learning, 100% important. Cognitive dissonance, 100% important. Extroversion, 100% important question. Now, Unit 1, long questions. First is define organizational behavior, OB, and its importance in present scenario. 100% important question. Second, explain about historical development in organizational behavior. This is also 100% important questions. So from these two, question number 1 and question number 2, definitely any one question you will get in your upcoming examination. Now, question number 3, explain the personality traits. State in detail the big 5 personality traits which are organizationally relevant. This question is also 100% important. And only personality traits maybe you will get in short bit also. Fourth question, explain the nature and process of perception. Now, Unit 2 is motivation. First, short questions under that. Concept of motivation, 100% important. Motivational force formula, 100% important question. ERG theory, very important. Leader versus management, this is also very important. Now, Unit 2, long questions. Compare Maslow's theory of motivation, Hesbeck 2 theory, two-factor theory of motivation, and ERG theory of motivation. 100% important question. Define motivation, explain its importance and techniques applied to motivate human resource. 100% important question. Differentiate between theory X and theory Y of motivation. Very important, and this question is important for short bit also. What is leadership traits? What are the various types of leadership traits? 100% important question. Only leadership traits maybe you will get in short bit also. Briefly discuss the various theories of leadership. Very important. So total 5 questions I am sharing with you in Unit 2 as long questions. So students, start your preparation from these questions because whatever questions I am sharing with you, that questions are very important. Now, Unit 3, group dynamics. First, short questions. Define group dynamics, 100% important. Johari window, 100% important. Group cohesiveness, very important, 100% important. Formal and informal group, this question is also very important. Team building, important question. So total 5 questions as short in Unit 3. Students, on our YouTube channel, important questions video, subject business statistics, I already uploaded for the upcoming examination June 2025. Now, Unit 3, long questions. First, what do you mean by group dynamics? What are the various theories of group dynamics? 100% important question. Second, explain the advantages and problems in group decision making. 100% important question. Explain the transactional analysis in detail. Transactional analysis is important for short bit also. What are the essential conditions of team building? Explain the team building strategies and intervention. 100% important question. So these four questions are very important as long questions for unit 3. Now unit 4, management of change. First short questions. First is change, very important. What is organizational change? 100% important question. Change agent, 100% important. Resistance to change, very important. Transitional change, this is also very important. Students, very soon I'm going to upload the important questions for the subject financial accounting also, so stay connected with us. Now unit 4, management of change, long questions. What do you mean by change? Discuss its importance, causes for change and reasons for resistance to change. 100% important question. Explain OD, organizational development process in detail, very important. How can resistance to change be implemented or overcome? Very important. What is meant by change agent? Explain in detail about important to manager to be change agent and different types of change agent. Very important. And only change agent is important for short bit also. OD is also important for short, organizational development. So students, total 4 questions I am sharing with you in unit 4, and these 4 questions are 100% important. Now unit 5 is organizational culture, organizational conflict and organizational effectiveness. Now first short questions, what is organizational culture? 100% important question. Define conflict, 100% important. Role ambiguity, very important. Morale, 100% important. Level of conflicts, very important. Organizational effectiveness, 100% important. Students, on our YouTube channel, important questions subject basic computer skills, for that I already uploaded a video for the upcoming examination, so visit there, see the video and start your preparation. Now unit 5, long questions. Define organizational culture. What are its characteristics and factors affecting organizational culture? 100% important question. Distinguish between organizational culture and organizational climate. This question is important for short bit also. Differentiate between organizational culture and organizational climate. Define conflict, explain types or levels of conflict with their reasons, very important. Define organizational effectiveness, discuss various approaches to measure effectiveness. 100% important questions. So students, these are the important questions subject OB. So like and share this video with all your friends, and if you are new to my channel, if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon also, so that future notifications will come to you directly. Thanks for watching the video.